378 more properties to accommodate all these people that are coming in. Do you think we're building anywhere near that? No, and this is the scary thing.
If you're going to invest your money, there's only one place in New Zealand to invest in it, and that's where there is a shortage.
The Property Council has said in the next 20 years, 70% of the new buildings they would like to see in the existing suburbs. Only 30% will be in the greenfield.
We believed in, we want our kids to be able to have a house in Auckland if they want to stay here, so we just jumped in, boots and all, in 6 months bought 2 properties and have just been really blown away actually.
I purposely wore this t-shirt to give myself a reminder, a visual reminder to just do it, and boy, I'm so glad that I did.
They've made it so easy with all the help you get. They know what they're doing, they just made it so simple to understand the whole process. Like, I feel like I'm so well looked after in this whole thing. Like, it's, yeah, why not? Just do it, yeah.
They're property investors already, so they've been through everything that I'm anticipating going through.
I love Ronovationz.